Are you feeling bored or tired of learning editing software like Premiere Pro, Davinci Resolve Pro in order to create videos, and you want to actually create professional videos with no video editing experience? Then I assure you, you are at the right place. So today I'm presenting to you an application called Flexclip, which is actually a platform online that actually enables you to create stunning videos with no editing experience. So we meet after the video introduction. Let us look at how Flexclip will change your editing experience and actually make you to become a pro with zero video editing experience. We meet after the video intro, and the video is actually sponsored by Flexclip. What's up, IQcodecians? I'm Fabrice from IQcodec, and as I said in the video introduction, we're going to making you a professional video editor with zero editing experience because of Flexclip. So Flexclip is an online platform that allows you to actually create turning videos with no editing experience. So this is what we're going to look in this video today. As I said, if you don't have time to actually go through Premiere Pro, Davinci Resolve, Filmora, Camtasia, so there are a lot of editing software, but today we're going to be looking at Flexclip, which is an online platform that enables you to create turning videos with zero editing experience. So you don't need no past experience in editing as far as you watch this video, and even on their website I'll show you, you are going to have a way about to go when it comes to video editing. So please, if you are first on this channel, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to stay tuned for our latest tips and hacks on IQcodec. And a little reminder, the IQcodec website actually available, so please check out our website to stay tuned with our latest hacks and updates. So everything is actually published on our website. Each time you see a video, it's going to be completely explained on our website, so please remember to check the link in the description. Once you're on Flexclip, the first thing to do that, make sure you go to the website. So Flexclip is actually, I wouldn't say it's not free, but the free version exists. So you need to sign up for an account. If you don't have an account, you sign up with your account. As my own app an account. So one thing that is actually cool about this video is that we are going to give in a giveaway. So we have 3 accounts. So we're going to giving a giveaway of 3 business accounts. So we're going to give away 3 business accounts, such that the business account have a validity of 6 months. So to participate for this giveaway, just comment your email and participate on our website. So what you need to do is that you need to comment your email, go on our website, make sure you create an account on our website, and you comment on any of our posts, and I'm going to choose a random the 3 winners that are going to have 6 months. It's business account of 6 months of Flexclip. So you're going to have, you can see I too am using a business account. So the giveaway will consist of 3 accounts. So I'm going to give in 6 months. We're going to give in a business plan to 3 accounts with a validity of 6 months. So once you create your account on Flexclip, this is what you are going to see. So this is the interface are going to be presented to. So you can see here you have a lot of templates that you can choose at random. So I'm going to walk you through, please. So done. So you can see my project. We have a section for stock videos. So if you come at this stock video, so you have a wide variety of stock videos to actually get inspired of. So you cannot lack anything of stock video. I also have a cloud storage. You can see I have 100 gigabytes of cloud storage. That is because I'm using a business account. So this is what you're going to get if you win or get our gifts the way that I'm actually doing. You're also going to have a 100 cloud storage on Flexclip. So on home, so I'm going to start everything from scratch. So I should start at the same level. Okay, so you can either start from scratch or select a template. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start from scratch. So start from scratch. So you can see storyboard or time code. Between these two, I'm going to go for the storyboard because this is still in beta mode. So let us better go with what is already stable. So let us choose this. And after that, you can see you can choose the aspect ratio. Actually good. I'm going to go with that. You can see you say please wait a moment, it should load. So once it is loaded, so you can see here is a little interface we have. Oops, what is this? Let me check. Okay, so you can see everything is blank. So the first thing I'm going to explain each of these sections for the best understanding. So the first thing you would like to do is to choose a template depending on what you want to design. Is it a promo? Is it a birthday video? Is it a corporate video, a real estate, a slideshow, a promo, sale, intro, outro, business? So in my own case, I'm going to go for the tech. So before going to tech, let us move to media. In the media section, you can actually choose the stock media, or you can locate local files on your computer, or even a recording, record a screen or record a webcam, so you can actually see the features are pretty cool. And for the text, anything that you can do on Filmora or Premiere Pro, so you can choose a text, actually add some animation on the text. I can see modern titles, so there are a lot of things you can play with. We have wedding titles, birthday, broadcast, so there are a lot of things to actually play with. Okay, now for the overlay, you can see so the design are very cool. We have contact info, big. Okay, now for the element, you have a wide variety of elements. You have the subscribe button, you have shapes, arrows, body. So this is everything you can think of a video editor, and it's very simple. I just should drag and drop and just do a little bit of changes. For the background, in this case, if you want to choose a background, for example, if maybe you're using a green screen, you can actually change a background or decide to use one of these backgrounds for an illustration. It depends on you. And also for the music session, you can add stock music. That is what is pretty dope with this. You can actually create some stock music. You're going to see a wide variety of stock music for you to choose, or you can actually browse your file on your PC to actually locate the music you have served. Okay, once we're done on the music, you can close this. And for the watermark, feel free, you can actually add your watermark, either a text or an image. Select, you can browse. So I'm going to go through all of this while in the production of our video. So that is all about the tool, and let us start editing. So let us start with the template. So you can see here is your timeline. So we're going to go for the tech template. So anything tech related, and you don't need to choose depending on your taste. So the first thing first, I'm going to go in for the intro. You can see, and you click on the plus, it's going to add it automatically to your timeline. So a very great feature which is that everything is automatically synchronized for you. So let us play. Oops, you can see there's a dark space at the beginning. So to delete this dark space is very easy. Just click. To edit it is very easy. As I said, double clicking here. So I'm going to import some media files, local file, for example, to look for a logo. So this for the logo. So to actually replace this logo, just do a drag and drop. That is that, and you can edit it. So you can actually edit things on this Canva. The logo, click on the logo name. You can change it. IQcodec. So let us get a little intro just with Flexclip. And on the text for here, I don't think, let us add something. Okay, subtitle like take our daily bread. So you can see it is not animated, and now let us animate it. If to animate, just to play, you can see some text properties, text color, font type, font size, and for the motion, you click on this motion. So this is where you actually edit. So you can see here motion. So this is where you have the motion of the text. So you can see center, drop down, left. So you can see it is pretty cool. So I'm going to go in for the left. Okay, so that done. Let us play this clip and let us play it for me and see what happens. Okay, now another thing you can do is that you can play the overlay. So you can just choose depending on which one you love. So you just keep the cursor and you're going to see how it's going to play automatically. The element, you can choose any element of your choice or still use the search icon to search. So you can have emoji, fashion, business, the background. Now let us go to the music section. Now on the music, if you want to add or browse, so I'm going to browse from my computer. You can actually choose a free to use music. For example, I'm going to be using let us say okay. So yes, the music. So once you add the music, it's going to automatically scan it for you. So if you play this music, okay, so yes, it's sound by no copyright sound, and it's actually free to use on YouTube. So all you need to do is that you just need to, once it says okay, so you can see you can adjust, remove, stream a particular section. Now let us watch what happens if you play this music. So let us play our video. So it's what happens, it automatically fade out without. So you can see there's actually what I call an artificial intelligence engine going behind this video editing. So some of the mistake like fading out videos, fading out sound. So most of this, if you do with Premiere Pro or Wondershare Filmora, you're going to notice a harsh cutting off of the sound, but Flexclip actually has the particularity of fading out sound automatically when it actually says that the video is at the end. Now for the watermark, as I said, watermark, you can browse for the image, still for the watermark, look for a PNG. So it depends on your PNG image. So we're going to look for PNG. Okay, any PNG image. So you can choose this. Once it's added, so you can see, you can choose where you should locate, so you can see. So we're not going to use the watermark. Okay, so once done, let us add another template and we're going to export our video. So let us look for let us see some other thing you can add here. Let us say you can look for a stock video. So you come on media, let us look for stock media. You can see technology, come on technology. So on the technology tab, you can see what photos, what videos. So on video, look for anything. So it depends on what you are looking to fit. Okay, so you can see I can click on add media and it's going to add it to your media. So once you click on add your media, so you can actually use all these stock videos are 100% free. This is done, you can click on this X and you're going to store this. So to add, just a drag and drop and keep it here. That is that. And once you drag and drop, so now you have the ability to stream out where you need. So you can see the video is 7 seconds. You can stream, let us say I need only 5 seconds of this. Make sure you leave this done. If you click here, it means that you won't have again the ability to stream out videos the next time you drag them into your timeline. So I advise you not to switch this on and stream the video. Okay, so once you are at this step, you want to add, let us say overlay. Let's say we add things like okay, so I'm just going to add this. So click on overlay. So make sure your video 2 is highlighted for it to apply the overlay. So you apply, click on what you want to apply. So you click on the segment and you decide on what you want to use. So that is that. Follow us. So you can play with the color. You can play with the size. You can play with the size. So you can play. So you can see follow us for the logo on your media. Just a drag and drop. Remember, you replace, and remember you can always edit from your canvas to actually make some little adjustment. Okay, you can keep this here, and if you don't love a motion or something, you can click on it. When you click and decide your motion. Okay, let us give a little try. Start from the line and let us play our whole. Okay. There's one thing lacking if you actually have the transition. So the transition, you will see there's a little bar here. If you click on this bar, you're going to be navigate the transitions. So there are a lot of very cool transitions. So what to see a transition, just skip the, so just scroll your mouse, see what is happening. So this is transition, wipe right, wipe up, wipe down. Just go on fade. So I'm going to look for zoom. Okay, I'm going to go the simple zoom. So this is what I'm going to use. So just highlight. Once it's orange, you apply. Okay, let us play. Okay, so at this level I think we can start from here. You know the basics. So that's the basic of how to edit with this. So if you have any problem with Flexclip, please let us know. Now the next step is to export our video. So to export the video, what you need to do is just click here. Once you click, you see export your video. I can notice that we have 1000. So if you are using the free account, you are going to be limited to 480. So if you are among our 3 winners, you are going to be able to use the 1000 by 80 the high resolution while exporting your videos on Flexclip. So click on next. Okay, so that is that, and it just gives the name a title name. So you just say intro created by IQcodec. You export the same image. Storyboard is almost done. Okay, so you can see the video has been downloaded locally. Now you can share on YouTube and other social media of your choice. So here's the video. that is playing at 180 resolution. So that is that about the video tutorial. See you next in my video. So please, if you have any problem with this video, please let us know in the comment section, and please don't remember to participate to actually win the 6-month business account on Flexclip. See you in my next video tutorial. Bye.